Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it's done. The first and easiest place to check is the Passwords app on your iPhone. To access it, swipe over to the app library and search for passwords. Tap on it and unlock it using your Face ID or passcode. This app is separate from the usual settings in iOS 18. Once in the app, tap All and search for Apple. You will see your Apple ID and password listed. Tap on it to view your password. If you cannot find it here, the next option is to check your browser's password manager. For example, if you use Google Chrome, open the browser, tap the three dots at the bottom right, and select Password Manager. Search for Apple, and your username and password should appear. If neither of these options work, you can try the next steps. Open Settings, tap on your name at the top, and go to the Sign In and Security. Here, you have the option to change Apple ID password. You'll be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. Then you can set a new password. If you don't have your iPhone with you, you can reset the password through a web browser. Open Safari, go to iforgot.apple.com, and tap Reset Password. After verifying your identity, you can reset your Apple ID password directly from the browser. And that's everything you need to know about how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.